What it do? Man, show y'all, man, I've been doing a lot of shorts. Seem like people like shorts, but I'm gonna give y'all a rundown on what I got going on. Y'all remember this, all this here was black and white. I dyed it brown. Still got a few more pieces to take care of. But I did all this myself. I think those cans of dye run like, I seen them online for like $16. You know what I'm saying? But, you know, some people might say, man, that ain't really getting your interior done. I mean, but I would be a damn fool. The interior was already wrapped. It just wasn't the color I wanted. So I'd be a damn fool to take all of that out just to re-wrap it brown when I can just spray it for a super fraction of the price. Like I'm talking about, I'm not even at $150 on cans of paint, and I'm almost done. I need like maybe one can for the dash, one can for the other front seat, maybe about 5-6 more cans at $20 a can. Can't beat that. And y'all see the results. This the other seat I dyed. Looking good. I see on the back where it got like a little, I know what I did back there though. I let it dry and I sprayed it again. So I probably end up redoing it, but I mean, it's trial and error. It's trial and error, man. That ain't nothing. And that's the back part of the seat, the part that you will never really see, but just cause I see it now, I mean, you know, I'll take care of it, but that ain't nothing. But yeah, I mean, you know, just be showing what's going on, man. You know what I'm saying? I ain't doing no tripping. We gotta save some bread out here. Everybody ain't rich, man. If you can get out here and do some of this yourself. Now, if I go back to the video when I first started just messing with the car, look at what I done accomplished on my own, just putting my hands on it. You know what I'm saying? Console. Once I put the seats in, you know what I'm saying, everything gonna come together. And it's cool. It's cool. Finished putting my wood grain in. Got my siren. Yeah, man, this shit fun. This what I'm talking about. But like I say, everybody not mechanically inclined like that, but it's just like on one of my partners, he came by and he was like, man, he say, damn G, he say, I ain't even think that building a console is basically like working with wood. He say, I'm overthinking it. He was like, man, after I saw you build your own console and you don't even work with wood, he was like, shit, I work with wood. He was like, so I know I can build one. He say, man, you inspired me to build a console. And that's cool. Put your hands on it if you can. If you a carpenter, you can build a console. It ain't nothing. Just because it's going in a car, I mean, shit, don't overthink it. I guess that's why I cannot keep a friend. That fake should stay pissing me off. My temper been exceeding 10. And my boy G3. My boy be jamming, man. On some other shit, know what I'm talking about? But yeah, man, that's all I be trying to promote, man. Put the fun back into the game. You know what I'm saying? It's some shit you can do, man. You buy your old school car and the interior already decent. Man, you ain't gotta go pay no $6,000, $7,000, $8,000 to get it done, man. You can go get you some cans of dye. The people can even mix it in the gallon where you can spray it out of a paint gun. And just take your time. Let me see where that, you gotta get you some of this right here. Let me see. Yeah, you got. Get you some acetone. Clean your material real good. Hit it with the acetone. The acetone gonna pull all the dirt out. It's gonna open up the pores in the material. And once you let it dry, it's gonna get an ashy look to it. You do a final little wipe down with you a dry cloth to kind of get all the dust and particles off of it. And then you come with your let me see which one this is. Oh nah, this that other stuff I had. I don't know what I did with them cans. I probably done threw them away. Let me see, hold up, y'all. I had another can somewhere. Okay, here we go. Now this one here is called Color Coat. And I found a Cordovan brown. And it looked pretty good. They got different kinds. You can start off with some at AutoZone. AutoZone got duplicate color, vinyl and fabric paint. You can get you a little piece, put you some acetone on a piece, and just experiment. On and on and on and on. Yeah. Tell them wrong. Yeah, man. Then when you sit back and look, like I walk out here and look, man, I see what I done accomplished and the money I done saved, and I'm still looking just as good. I ain't worried about what nobody say, you know what I'm saying? I did this myself. If don't nobody like it, they don't like it. I'm happy with it. I'm happy with the bread I save, and I'm happy with the results. I'm clean. You can't tell me with what I'm doing, I can't pull up nowhere. I ain't trying to say I can win a car show or nothing, but for me to be done did this myself, I mean, I can pull up where everybody else can pull up. They AC gonna be pumping, mine gonna be pumping. Matter of fact, I'm gonna upgrade my blower to a new car blower, so shit, my hair gonna be blowing. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna upgrade my blower. I ain't gonna have no 1982 blower. They didn't know nothing about blowers in 1982. Let me get one of them blowers out of them new Buick Lucernes or new Impalas or something where you have blowing. Put one of them in there. Upgrade. All that shit fun, man. Putting this new shit into an old car, making it do shit above what it's supposed to do. It's fun, man. That's all I be trying to do. Show people, man. It's fun. You go in your garage on your spare time project, save your little bread, whatever you can do. It's simple to lay carpet. Carpet, man. It's carpet. Man, you get your glue, take your time, lay your carpet down. They even got prefabricated carpet now. You can damn near order carpet prefabricated for your vehicle, and you can order the color. So, I mean, why would you pay all that money when you can order the carpet offline, take your seats out yourself? You got to take them out anyway if you're going to do something to them. Clean out your car, put you some carpet down, and keep it moving. Save you some bread. Take your time. Put your hands on it. I look at it like this. If I experiment on something and I lose $40, $50, that's better than me going to pay somebody in my car, sit up at their shop 2, 3, 4 months, and it still don't come out right. I'd rather some shit not come out right here in my own hands than to be pacing around waiting just to get your shit back or something and it still ain't right. I see a lot of that going on. So I might well do my own thing. Can't wait to put these bad boys in there, man. My boy working on the box. I need to go and pull these bad boys out, these old sundown U's. We gonna do 8 of them. This shit been so long. Back one time, when a young nigga ain't really know nothing. Yes, sir. This is what I do all day, y'all. Just mess with cars and mess with my project and listen to good music. Y'all go on Spotify. Check my boy out. G3. Always G3. He got an album I call PSA. Got some nice jams on it. Nice album you can kick back and relax to. Y'all check it out. Cool. New music. Hear something different. But yeah, y'all, I'm finna kick back. I've been in the lab all day. I'm finna kick back. I just wanted to show y'all, something other than the shorts. But yeah, y'all, fuck with me, man. I'm gonna tune back in later on, y'all.